Today we're going to talk about, why I started, credit repair. I started credit repair, simply because that's one of the main things that's really holding people back in life, being that America is run on credit. You can't get a job, you can't get a house, you can't get an apartment, you can't get a car. Hell, you can't even you can't even go in some places with bad credit. Like, it's just really a consumer-driven, credit-driven society. Um, you need credit. And that's something that wasn't taught to me growing up. I really didn't learn about credit really until I needed it really. No one taught me the importance of it growing up. Nobody really put me on game to how you can use credit to get assets. There's probably only one instance where my mom gave me a book on, like, I think it was Robert Kiyosaki, like Rich Dad Poor Dad, and that kind of sparked the whole, I guess, entrepreneurial seed, in my mind. I didn't really pay attention to it much, growing up, but that's where it really started, and that's what I always refer back to. We just, studying Robert Kiyosaki and looking at him. When he said, he bought his first property with a credit card. I'm like, with a credit card, like, so what you're saying is I can go apply for a credit card and leverage that to get a piece of property. I'm looking at that. I'm like, hold on. Maybe he on to something. And just from there on out, man, started studying and studying and studying. During that time, I really couldn't make any type of move because my credit was bad. Dealing with, somebody I was with at the time. I couldn't make a move that I wanted to make. I paid my law. I paid all these, credit repair agencies, and I'm like, what? I'm spending all this money, and I'm not getting the desired results. Let me go ahead and do it myself. And from there, that's really how it elevated to where it is now. To the brand that I have now, that I'm launching, Rival Consultants. We need to rival really the average. We need to rival the credit bureaus who try to keep you down in the position that you're in, and really trying to stop you from leveling up and reaching your full potential financially. That's really what I want to see. I'm one of those few people. I'm one of those few people that I get my rocks off by seeing other people successful at the same level, if not better than me. Because at the end of the day, I get a good feeling knowing that, a client of mine, they're able to go ahead and make a business move, where there's like getting a credit card with 0% APR and using that to buy like a cleaning franchise for, like, I don't know, 50 grand a year or 100 grand a year worth of accounts. That's what I find rewarding. So we're looking with business people or people that's trying to actually go somewhere in life. People like that, I wouldn't have an issue going above and beyond for, and staying up those late hours, knowing that I'm working and they're working too, and that's just something that really keeps me going. It keeps me motivated to even do this. Ready to do this YouTube page, really take it more serious. At the end of the day, this is what I have a passion for. Just helping people. It's one thing that I can do. I can help people and make a living at the same time. So that's probably my best bet. I really don't see myself, not doing this business. Really just helping people, putting people on free game, helping them out, getting the best position possible in life, because you only get one shot at this. You gotta make it your best shot. That's the way I look at it, and that's how I want my clients to look at it. Like, hey, I'm trying to get you in a position to go ahead and shoot the three. If anybody looks at basketball or whatever, that's really what I'm looking at, and that's really how I see it. Just helping people at the same time being able to make a living off of it. Anyway, guys, for just a quick video on my stance on credit repair and why I do it. It's more than just money to me. It's really the peace of mind knowing that a mother, father, child, whoever, don't have the stress. They need a loan and they get an emergency, or they trying to grow a business or start a business. They go ahead and do that. Other than that, that's really where I am. That's really how I look at things, and where I see just going forward. It's really just trying to help as many people as possible. Anyway, guys, please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, you want to get in contact with me, go ahead and look at the description. This website is now up, brownconsultings.org. I know people have been asking about it. You can check out, the different services and a few of the client results from the past few months. Really just take a look at it. Go ahead and sign up for a free consultation if you're interested in credit repair services. Other than that, guys, go ahead and have a nice day. Please like, share, subscribe. As always, tell your mom, friends, your auntie, uncles, your side pieces. Other than that, guys, have a good one.